Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. The 2023 Kia Sorento entered the new model year with improved packaging across all trim, building upon its generous array of standard features. Starting with the base LX, its roster of Advanced Driver Assistance System or ADAS has been extended to include standard blind spot collision-avoidance or BCA, rear cross-traffic collision-avoidance, and safe exit assist. All other trim gain convenience features that were previously optional. The S get a wireless smartphone charger, the EX get an 8-way power front passenger seat and a frameless rear view mirror, and the SX get a 12.3-inch color digital instrument panel, power folding exterior mirror, and a rain-sensing windshield wiper. The range-topping SX Prestige now come with a standard all-wheel drive, which include gloss-back exterior accent and a revised bumper as a part of the treatment. Other added features include the 115-volt power inverter that can charge household items such as a laptop, Homelink, and a retractable rear door set. The X-Line package continued to add a rider look to the Sorento with a unique bumper and exterior details, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a bridge-type roof rack. The pricing of 2023 Kia Sorento or MSRP exclude $1,295 destination. For the LX, $29,990. For the S, $32,490. For the EX, $35,890. For the SX, $38,790. For the LX all-wheel drive, $31,790. For the X-Line S all-wheel drive, $34,490. For the X-Line EX all-wheel drive, $39,590. For the SX all-wheel drive, $40,590. For the SXP all-wheel drive, $43,390. And for the X-Line XXP all-wheel drive is $43,590.